Welcome to this channel, guys. Today we are doing a little bit of something different. For today's video, I am going to be organizing makeup with you. Makeup is expensive. It adds up really fast.
Thinking about your love.
Yeah.
Everybody get chopped out. Play sleep up like helicopter. When them see the lyrical doctor.
I bought this caboodle from Ulta. I love it. I wish I had one myself. It's see-through. You can take a look at your makeup. It has a key as well. Wait, where's the key? Probably in there. It has a key. It has these openers. And look at that, guys. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And here, it comes with a key. There's a key in here. You can lock it up. I like that idea. I'm gonna drop the key here. And we're gonna go ahead and turn this up. So we're gonna keep this here. We'll get back to it. So that was $35. I picked up these brushes, the Real Technique brushes. I think are very good brushes for like somebody who's new with makeup. So anyway, I'm gonna put everything here so y'all can see what $500 worth of makeup looks like. Okay.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do.
Now, the micellar water, I must say, I found one in Ulta for $5, $4.99 or $5.99. I thought that would be good because it will fit here. And then I found one in Target for like $6. This is a better buy. And so I might return one. I don't know. It depends on what she says. So I'm just going to keep both and see what she says. She might want to keep it knowing her.
Think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need.
Let's take these out. These are the Sephora $26 buy. Let's take these out. She gets to try this all-nighter. And then a Makeup Forever Skin Equalizer. So that's a primer. She gets to try that. And a Beauty Blender Push to Dispense Water. What am I using this for? And Full Coverage Foundation from Huda Beauty. This Too Faced Primer. She gets to try the Milk Blurring Stick. And then she gets to try this Becca setting powder. $500 worth of makeup looks like. The caboodle and all this. All that.
And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see. Cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind.
I am so in love with this box. I love it so much. This is by Revolution. And let me open it so y'all can see it. The reason why I bought this palette is because of all the browns and everything. It is so gorgeous. I feel like for what she wants to use it for, you know, work related, professional, I thought the browns will work really great. And then she has some colors that she can play with, you know. So we have that. I will put that in the bottom. The NYX palette here. Beautiful, beautiful colors. So if she wants to do colors, she can do colors. So okay, I'm going to put all the palettes the bottom makes sense to me to put the palettes in the bottom. This is Fenty Beauty Mocha Mommy. I've never tried it. I am dying to dig my fingers into it, but this is not my stuff, so I don't want to dig my fingers into it until she is here and she's given me the permission to. Fenty Beauty packaging, God, like, I love it so much. Blush, I think the blush and contour could be the same place. So I will put blush here, and I bought this e.l.f. blush. She has an orange shade. This is kind of like orange pinkish, but at least she can blend those two to get a real orange. She has a really high pink, and she has a medium pink. And then I think everybody should learn how to use a blush stick or a cream blush, so I bought her another e.l.f. cream blush. If she comes tomorrow to do her lessons and she wants to me to record it, I will record our session for you guys, but I have to respect everybody's preference, okay? So I will not be swatching these for y'all to see because it's not mine. I bought it for somebody. So yeah, blush, I'll put blush here, and then I'll decide where all that goes. The first thing that I usually do is eyebrow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put eyebrow stuff here. Dark brown, and that's how it looks. That's how it looks. I will not. Another brow pencil here from e.l.f. Neutral brown. This neutral brown. I figured you can mix two browns. If one breaks, you have another backup. So we have NYX and a ColourPop brown for brows. This is a really light concealer, like a caramel concealer, and I got her a tad bit darker for if she wanted to tone down, look a little bit more like she's not made up. She has that. So primers are up here. Then we will use foundation. So primer and foundation. After you're done foundation, you will do concealer. Primer, foundation, concealer, and then we will set. After that, we will set the Becca sample, so we can use that also. We also got these Fit Me, one to contour and one to set. Okay, so we'll just use this then. So since that doesn't fit, we will put the powder up here because it fits here. Right? This is also a HD finish powder by NYX. Here. So all our powders are over there. We have setting spray. So these all pencils, okay? So you know what I'm gonna do? The brow and the eyeliners I'm gonna put this way, and then I'm gonna turn these upside down. The lip liners, I'm gonna turn the face this way. This is an eyeliner. I'm gonna put that here. And all the lip color I'm gonna put down here. The last thing you do is highlight. So I'm gonna put highlighter here. Right? I'm gonna put highlighter here. Now, mascaras. That gives you one full-size mascara. That is the coolest thing ever. So you can go back, so you get Marc Jacobs, a Sephora one, a Tarte one, a Fenty Beauty one, and a Lancome one. You get this coupon to go back and get your favorites. And this does not expire. Here, I think. And now I might have to just bring the lip with the pencils. And this is a lip. And that can stay there too. And this is a lip. And this is a Makeup Forever Skin Equalizer. It's like a primer behavior thing. We'll put it up here. Okay, when it comes to lashes and mascaras, you know what? I'm about to put it here. This is lashes. Sephora lashes. It's like $10. It's very pretty, but very business-like. So I'll put mascara here, and since the directions are on this, I will leave the box so she can look at it and see the directions. I will do that here. I got her. I think that everybody needs a red lip liner, a brown lip liner, a nude lip liner, a pink lip liner, right? So I got a I got a brown. I got a little bit more. I got red. I had a brown. I got her a nude, a mauve, a red. I did not get her a pink. So we will say this kind of serves like her pink. So here we go. Everybody needs a red lipstick. And the most beautiful red lipstick that I absolutely love, this MAC Ruby Woo. If you do not own a Ruby Woo, please go buy you a Ruby Woo lipstick. Every lady needs a Ruby Woo lipstick. This is the most beautiful red lipstick I have ever seen. It is gorgeous. Now this is a mini, okay, that I found this Ulta, so I got it. So that's here. Let me make sure I don't have anything in here. I don't want to trash anything. Now you know our lashes curls up, so we usually curl our lashes down like this so that it gets out of the way. So that will go with here. We got a tweezer here from Revlon. Now, you know, as you go older, you get a little facial hair. If she has facial hair, she can use the tweezer to tweeze her facial hair as well. So we got a tweezer, lash applicator. Tells you basically. The applicator shows you to just press the lash down, and you use this part to kind of really make it sink in, right? So a lash applicator. Oh, I'm putting it in the wrong spot. Lash stuff are here. I can't fix it and forget it. I'm gonna have to get that and try it. Our hair is really good. So we're going to take, that's big, it's a big bottle, so we'll put that at the bottom. And then we have the NYX Matte Finishing Mist. Put that here. We have the e.l.f. blush, which I think, you know what, we're out of space. How about we put foundation, concealers, and primers in the same spot? That will make it a little bit easier. And then we have powder. How about like this and powder? There you go. It fits now. I don't know. This thing is kind of, the Laura Mercier is kind of huge. Okay, so now we have blush and blush. What else can go with blush? Highlighter, I think. Highlighter can go with blush. I'm gonna sit a nice little water there for if she needs to take off her makeup or anything like that. I love these brushes so much. Real Technique brushes, I think, are easy to use, especially for beginners. This is everything you need for your face. The 400, which is a blush brush. It's pretty huge. I'll probably use it for both blush and powder. Blush brush, I have to find somewhere that I can put these. I know I have the spot here, but I'm thinking what I should do with it. Should blush go with lips? Maybe I'll put lips and blushes together. What do y'all think? That looks good. And then I'll put the eyes and brows here. And I'll put my brushes here. Foundations are here. Foundations and concealers and primers are here. And then next we have our setting powders. All our setting powders are here. These trial ones and Laura Mercier. And then we have our blush and our lip colors here and highlighters. And then we have brushes, eyebrows, eyeliner, lip liner, everything liner is here. And next we have lashes. And then at the bottom we have the eyeshadow palettes, colorful and nudes. We have our mascara, all the mascaras. We have our highlighter. We have certain mists and finishing mists. And then we have micellar water, just in case. So, this is it. Okay, I might have to just move this because it's not cooperating. And that is the Laura Mercier powder. I will bring my highlighter with the powders up here and take space. And how's that? Okay, much better. Sitting better now. So, yep. Here we go. driving somewhere, doing her makeup, she can just grab it, use it. Oh, I see. That's how it locks. See? But it won't let you do it here until you unlock it. And then it will let you. Okay, I see what the key's about. So, yep, here's the key. I like that because people steal makeup, you know? People will steal your makeup. I bought this for her, so I'm gonna have to drop it in there for her, and she can use it at home, one at home, and one with this, okay? Hopefully, tomorrow, when she comes for her makeup lessons, she will be okay with recording. And if she's not, if she's pressed for time, that's fine too. We will not record. But at least y'all have seen this caboodle and how it houses makeup. I love it. I would love to have one in the future for myself. Put this makeup together. And I think it's been fun hanging out with y'all. So I will see you in the next. I love you so much. Keep the comments and the love coming. Keep the subscription coming. I will see you in the next video. Come on!